Hello, my name is Victor Castrellon. I am Silicon application engineer, and I am testing the LaCroix Oscilloscope model 104 MXI. The oscilloscope is completely froze. Right now it's time is 9:40 a.m. and I used to turn on the oscilloscope at 9 a.m. and it shows exactly the same problem it showed before. It's froze. Right now, the last image I captured was this waveform, and it stopped because it was a single shot. I'm trying to bring it back to auto. It's not responding. At the background of the display, there's a phantom lines blue, very thin. Maybe the video is not capable to catch it, but I can see the phantom lines, very thin blue color. Okay, I'm going to try to power down. Does not respond. It's completely froze. Does not respond. I think the only way, as before, the only way to power down is to disconnect the power from behind. And it's a typical problem. It's intermittent problem, but it's problem that it's there. Thank you.